So hi students, in this video we discuss about how to make notes of topic nutrition. So in the class we discuss about the types of nutrition and draw the figure of human digestion. So start making notes, write the heading step of human digestion. So step is there, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Write one by one. What is ingestion? Ingestion means taking food into the mouth. Digestion, breakdown of food molecules into the simpler form. Absorption, food are absorbed from the small intestine and reach to the blood. Assimilation, absorbed food reach to the cells and tissue and provide energy. Egestion, undigested food released out. All these points are write down into the note. Then we taking one by one. After this we write what is human digestion. Start from the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal start with mouth. So we discuss one by one. Mouth. Write the heading mouth. Mouth containing oral cavity and having 3 pairs of salivary gland. We discussed previously 3 pairs of salivary gland which secrete saliva. Then we write the function of saliva. Saliva make food moist and slippery for the easy swallowing. It's also containing enzyme salivary amylase. Which enzyme? Salivary amylase. You write down in the notes. And after this, what is the function of salivary amylase? It's helping to break down of starch to maltose. So that is mouth, and then you may write the teeth. Write the dental formula. That one 21 into 2. That is a dental formula of human, and that note down the name of the teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Make their notes properly. After this mouth, you write about pharynx. What is pharynx? Pharynx is a common passage both food and air. After the pharynx, you note down oesophagus. What is oesophagus? That is a long pipe-like structure which is open into the stomach, where no digestion is take place and food are moved by the process of peristalsis. That is all about oesophagus. And then you note down the heading stomach. Very important. In the stomach, that is a bag-like, sac-like, J-shaped structure where food are stored 4 to 5 hours, and it contains gastric glands which secrete gastric juice. Gastric juice containing enzyme and HCl. This HCl make food acidic, and this what is function of enzyme? You note down. Pepsin help in the breakdown of protein into the peptide. This is all about stomach. Then we move to the next. That is a part small intestine. Small intestine, where the digestion is complete in the duodenum part of small intestine, because in the small intestine 3 juices are released called bile juice and pancreatic juice. Both juices are released into the small intestine. Write down one by one. Pancreatic juice. What is the function of pancreatic juice? You write the heading pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice containing secrete pancreas secrete pancreatic juice which containing enzyme and bicarbonate. Which enzyme? Enzyme trypsin and lipase, and write down their function. That is about pancreatic juice. Then write down about bile juice. Bile juice secreted from the liver and stored in gallbladder. This bile juice help in the emulsification of fat into the simpler form micelle. Then function, the digestive enzyme, small intestine. The small intestine secrete its intestinal juice called succus entericus, which help in the digestion of food into the simpler form, like It break down maltose into glucose, helping the breakdown of dipeptide into amino acid and fat into fatty acid and glycerol. So digestion is complete in the small intestine. Then you move the function of villi. Villi is present in the small intestine, which increase the surface area for the absorption of gases. It is a finger-like projection, finger-like structure, which increase the surface area. That is about villi. So making notes properly, step by step. After this, you can you write some question and exercise we are discussed previously. Note down in their fair notes as exercise work. So that is notes of class 10 nutrition. Thank you.